Parang, you know na it was worth it.
Julie, it was worth it.
She had the poise, the grace, the maturity. May mga times na parang mas mature pa nga sa akin eh. Because syempre pag lalaki ka, you take control of everything. I try to keep things to myself. Lalo na kung yung stress or problems. Nakalimutan ko na it's a partnership. So dapat tulungan kayo. Isa yun sa mga natutunan ko sa kanya. Throughout this whole diretso talaga dito. But throughout the whole relationship, isa yun sa, it's a partnership.
Generally, ang lalaki talaga, hindi ma-open. Kaya when a relationship, pag celebrity, when they go through fire, ang lahat ng attack nasa babae. Kasi na-experience mo yan.
Yeah.
Talagang they were both on fire during that time, the 2019, the noisiest time of your life, I would say.
Yeah.
Or marami ka na rin pinagdaanan.
Yun na sasabihin ko.
Since in-announce ko na PBB teen.
Yeah, PBB teens.
Diba? Since 2006.
2006, 19 years ago. Ha? Ano nangyari?
Ilan taon ka lang ba? 16?
17 ako noon.
Sunod-sunod na yun.
Good and bad, ups and downs. Diba?
Yes.
Minsan,
That's part of the journey.
It's part of the journey. Pero yun, balik dun sa sinabi na mas vocal yung mga girls and mas sumasagot, ganun. So, at saka may, ganun talaga tayo eh. We always like to compare.
Pero ito, Jay, it's not the first situation na nalagay ka sa ganun.
No. Mahirap din sa akin yung sitwasyon. Kasi it's also hard na hindi ka pwede rin masyadong mag-express yung feelings mo. You know, syempre yung mga kaibigan ko, yung mga malapit sa akin, alam nila lahat na nararamdaman yung pamilya ko. But ako kasi, I don't also really believe na I have to say everything sa media. Kasi you're opening up so many doors sa negativity and other people na may masabi lang. Yung kumbaga yung mema lang. If kaya kong ayusin behind closed doors, privately, kausapin ko sino dapat kong kausapin, syempre that would be the best way to do it.
Nagawa mo ba yun?
I have. But syempre hindi sa lahat, obviously. You know, when you hurt someone, like in my case, you hurt someone to the limit na talaga napupuno na. Medyo, na yun eh.
Ayaw ka na naming makita pag ganyan.
Exactly.
Pag nasagad mo yung hurt.
Siyempre nung time na yun, parang bakit ayaw, parang ayusin na natin to. But when you get older and time goes by, parang, hindi mo na masisisi. Hindi mo masisisi. And
so, when you say that when you've hurt someone, you're admitting that you hurt.
Of course. Ibang pain din yun. When you hurt someone and you know you hurt someone and you care for that person and you still end up parang nasasaktan mo pa rin, masakit din yun.